the second episode of Behind the Blueprint. I'm here with Carmen Harrigan. She's a project manager on the contractor side, and we're in the middle of the project.
Hello everyone, it's a pleasure to be here.
Carmen, shall we go have a look? All of these rooms are about the same level of finish. Excuse me, let's have a look at this vanity. Whoa, look at this.
It's beautiful, isn't it?
Fantastic.
Ties in very well with the overall design.
Calicato white quartz tops. Beautiful view out to the ocean. It's coming along. We've just finished this tiling here in the bathroom. And we get lights coming in under here. This is where the tub goes. Oh, Carmen, look at the floor finish now.
It is amazing, isn't it?
Yeah, very nice. Yes, it's a nice transition. Oh, and this is your coving that you're so proud of.
I am, because it took a lot of thought and craftsmanship to get here.
I remember how long we took to get that angle.
Correct. Yes.
Just right. Carmen, one of my favorite parts of this project, and the new feature where we've opened up from the bathroom with a view out to the ocean. You could never see that before. Now that we've opened that up, it's going to be a pretty exciting feature. Carmen, let's go and have a look at what we're doing on the exterior of the building. Changing the dusty pink of the old CurtainBluff to this new white with blue trim. And here we have the guys cutting in the blue on the balustrades. This is going to get a text coat, but it's going to be white with the blue banister.
I'm really loving how the vegetation and the landscaping ties in really well with the white.
I know, look at the leaf shadows. Here we are in Grace Bay, and this has come a long way in a few weeks.
We have all the electricals completed. There are no more cuts in the walls. Everything has been primed, skimmed. We're just ready to put in the fixtures right now.
So we're at the stage of this project now where, coming down to the end, we need all our materials on island. We've cleared a big large piece of land here, which we're going to be building a virtual container city in with all our materials and supplies. Thanks for joining us on this episode, everyone. And especially you, Carmen. It's been really great having you around today.
Thank you very much, Michelle. My pleasure as well. As you can see, we have made really good progress so far.
Yep.
But we're looking forward to transitioning into the finishing stage, installing the millwork, final installations, and we should be good to go.
Yep. There's quite a bit more left to do. And so when you tune in next month for the next episode, you'll see lots more progress.